Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to present before you a video focusing on MSME sector. I will be discussing the following points in this video. Point number 1 is importance to the economy, including its contribution in our GDP. Second point I am going to discuss is the registration process. Third is new definition of micro, small and medium enterprises which has undergone a change. So the bankers must be well aware of that. So keeping that in view, I have selected this topic for today, which is very important from the economic point of view. So let us discuss the first point, importance to Indian economy of MSME sector. Here I am going to emphasize upon 5 points. Point number 1, its contribution to our GDP based on the figures of Central Statistics Office. On the basis of GVA, gross value added, at current prices, the contribution for the year 2019-2020 in our All India GDP of this sector is 30%, which is very significant. Contribution of this sector in our exports is 49%, and contribution in manufacturing is 45%. It has got a very high employment generation potential. Capital required for investment in these units is very less. In our country, even otherwise, the capital is scarce, it is not in abundance, and the units start giving benefits to the society very early because the gestation period is also very low. So these 5 points highlight the importance of MSME sector for our economy. Keeping that in view, let us proceed further with the registration process. Friends, when you are sitting in the banks and a prospective borrower is approaching you and telling, sir, I am having a MSME unit and I need a working capital limit. Immediately we ask to him or her that how can you say that you are a MSME unit? Do you have with you the Udyam registration certificate? That is a proof of being a unit as MSME. Udyam registration certificate. If it is registered, fine. The entrepreneur will provide you the URC. Or if it is not registered, you may guide the entrepreneur that you can go to MSME, government site, MSME ministry. We have got Udyam registration portal there. There the process is very easy, hassle-free, paperless, no fee is required, it is totally free. You have to upload certain documents and ultimately you will get EURC number, Udyam registration number, and finally you will get your Udyam registration certificate, which is a conclusive proof that you are a registered MSME unit. And once you are registered with this portal, you start getting benefits which are earmarked by the Government of India for this particular sector. Now let us come to the new definition of micro, small and medium enterprises. For micro, The definition is based on two parameters: investment in plant and machinery and equipment and annual turnover. So for micro enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery and equipment should not exceed rupees 1 crore and annual turnover should not exceed rupees 5 crore. And for the small enterprises, it may exceed 1 crore, means the investment in plant and machinery and equipment may exceed rupees 1 crore but should not exceed rupees 10 crore. Similarly, the annual turnover for small enterprises may exceed rupees 5 crore but should not exceed rupees 50 crore. For medium enterprises, the investment in plant and machinery and equipment may exceed rupees 10 crore but should not exceed rupees 50 crore. Annual turnover may exceed 50 crore but should not exceed rupees 250 crore. So this we all must know, because this has undergone a change and the definition has been changed altogether. We must be aware of it as a banker. Now when it comes to financing these units, you can further suggest the entrepreneur that you must register with MSME Udyam registration portal. You must be registered, if you qualify to be registered, with GST portal, GSTN. And third, you should adopt the digital mode of receipt and payment with your customers and suppliers. If you do this, the banks will happily finance to these units for working capital purposes as well as for term loans, any financing fixed assets as well. And their financing is also hassle free and collateral free, without any collateral and third party guarantee, because up to 200 lakhs we means the bankers have got CGT MSE cover available on these units. There, micro and small enterprises are covered up to 200 lakh limits. And that cover boosts up the confidence level of the bankers, and they are financing MSME units in a very cordial and easy manner. So you can suggest you come forward and avail these facilities. With these words, I conclude this video with an appeal that you please like, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.